The Skinwalkers and shit.
Damn. Well, hold on. What?
Skinwalker.
Okay. Well, I thought you said, but like, damn, yeah, you threw me off.
Do you think it's some
Like,
down there on Blackjack? Cause they say that's where the weird shit happen. They say that's where all the goddamn animals move to. They say that's where all the weird animals move to. What you seen out there? Have you ever saw something out there?
I heard some shit. I done heard some shit. I didn't know actually see what made the sound I heard that we heard. Even on saw the heard. Like,